Streaming modular is mainly used to preview all input signals. Now, we can connect to the router to preview all the input signals on the XPOSE. Open XPOSE, choose the equipment, and log in. After successfully connected, you can now exit your current mode. Open System Settings and click Streaming IP. Turn on H.264 display. Choose the video wall mode. Now you can see 4 signal inputs on the bottom. First, you see signal 1 to 4. Click the scroll down button to see the rest of your signals. You can save up to 16 signals in total. You can also directly drag your signals from signal bank to your display area. If you don't have a router on spot, you can connect your display equipment to the streaming modular through the HDMI port. As the same, open XPOSE and click Login. Connect it to your processor. After you synced, quit your current mode and turn on H.264 display. Inside the video wall mode, you can see 4 signal inputs on the bottom. At the same time, the LCD monitor is also showing the same signal source. From the XPOSE, you can click the scroll button to see all your signals. It can show up to 16 signals in total.